Well, at least you get, it's not drone footage, but it is a river, Kwakwaka'wakw. The hatchery's just up creek there a little bit. And yeah, they do some pretty good enhancement. This is called the Quatse Loop for anybody who's out in the Port Hardy, Cole Harbor area. It's a nice little trail. They got a beautiful little campground near the end of it. Great place to check out in the summertime. Anyhow, cheers. Just love how this tree just grew over top of this old, or actually grew in the stump, and then just enveloped it and continued on. Now, if you've ever been in the bush a lot, you don't often see this kind of thing. Limb pulled off of the tree, laid down, and rerouted itself. The resilience of Mother Nature is amazing. Anyhow, peace.